Hi, this is Alex, and I'm super excited to introduce a new product that we have, which is a really good looking contemporary sectional. But the unique thing about this is what's really cool is this pulls out and turns into a really nice guest bed if you have out-of-town guests coming in and things like that. And the sectional opens, so there's a lot of storage in here, so you could put sheets in there, toys, whatever. It's great for basements, it's great for a spare bedroom, and the really nice thing about it is it's a good looking sectional and a great looking piece of furniture as well. The great thing about these is we offer them in 3 different colors. We've got a ton of them in stock, and we're doing them for $6.99, and you can have it right away.